I got a new battery in there. The last one was terrible. It was dead flat, had absolutely nothing in it. So before we do anything with the ECU and just assume that what we've been told is actually true, let's give it a go first. Key in to the on position. And there we go. So we've got the immobiliser light going there. Obviously the siren for it, and if we try to do anything, obviously it's not going to do anything. That's just the ECU cutting it out. So we know we definitely have to fix the immobiliser. Whenever you're touching anything electronically, always make sure your negative terminal as a minimum comes off. And look, if you want to take your positive off, it's not going to hurt anything, obviously. Here she is in all her glory underneath the dash here. We just got to undo those plugs and pull her out. What we're going to have to do is take out these 4 bolts. Same on the other side. This is her. That's the front of the board. And obviously the reverse of the board. Now we've got a couple of these that we need to put jumpers across, which is easy enough, I hope. And the issue that we have is that this chip here is the one that needs to be bypassed. That's the immobiliser one there. I'll put a link to the instructions below. Alright, so that's it for the ECU. There's one tiny little thing down here I had to remove, just a resistor, and a couple of things down here that I had to bridge across, so that should hopefully be done. Thank you ECU-MAN for the instructions, do appreciate it. There'll be one other thing I have to do in the car too. I just got to bridge something together, but I'll get this back in the car and see how we've gone. Alright, so there's also this wire under the dash, right, or this connector, and apparently we've got to join the blue, that's not focusing at all. We've got to join the blue and the black wires here on the back of this, and hopefully we can get it started now. So the ECU's connected back up again. The battery's back in. It's time to give it a go. And look, there could be a million other things wrong with this, right? A million other things wrong with this. But I'm kind of excited. So what I'm just gonna do, I'll turn the key. Yeah, still getting that though. Oh my goodness! I wonder if that ignition cut's still working or something. Oh, it's working! It's working! I kind of expected that it wouldn't, to be honest. It's actually working! I don't know if we need to do something about that or not or what, but I kind of don't care either, to be honest. Because it's working, and actually doesn't sound too bad. A little bit surprised. I expected it to be a lot rougher than that, but there's no weird smells or anything, there's no weird sounds. That's probably the first time it's been in focus all this whole video, but anyway. It's looking a little bit shaky, but to be honest, I'll probably get rid of the air conditioning anyway. It took a little bit to get started. I've already checked the air filter. That's actually really clean already. They must have only just serviced it before it went into storage. I have no idea about the fuel system at all, or the rest of the intake. I've already checked all the other fluids, like the air conditioner and power steering and all that sort of rubbish, but yeah, I'm kind of surprised. It's actually working. Wow. What a beast. It's super quiet too. Super quiet, but it's alright, we can change that. So there we are. First day and it's working. minus whatever that is. I have no idea, maybe it's something to do with the stereo or something. Maybe I need to bypass something else. Maybe I didn't bypass the switch under the dash very well. Oh, there you go. On to the next thing. Sweet.